Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are focused on sharing great haircut ideas for boys, the kind of cuts that look sharp, easy to manage, and fit their lifestyle. Finding the right style can make a huge difference and help boost their confidence. We have put together a ton of the freshest, most popular haircut ideas for boys right now. Consider this video your inspiration catalog. Talk to your barber or kid stylist about what you want. Are you looking for a very easy to maintain trim or a more structured fade? A good consultation ensures you both agree on the length and the shape for your little boy. So let's check out all the styles we have curated for you. We've got the classic side part. It's always sharp, always clean. Notice the tight blended fade on the sides. That is key to keeping this look modern and not stuffy. You can also find the textured crop, super popular. This haircut is shorter on the sides, slightly messy on the top. You just need a little bit of wax or clay. In this video, there are tons and lots of style you can try for your little boy. Make sure you watch this video till the end to see all the haircut style we have curated for you, to your little one. Take a screenshot of the one you like, show it to your hairstylist or barber, and get ready for a fresh start. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas.